You know what, I get asked with this question almost all the time. Mas mag-work nga bang isang relasyon kapag mas mahal ng lalaki ang babae? Bago ko sabihin yung opinion ko about this, sasabihin ko muna kung bakit deserve ng mga babaeng sobrang mahalin ng todo-todo. And maybe this could make you realize na you don't have to settle for less. And you have to step up the standard. Una sa lahat, monthly period. Ang hirap kayang reglahin. Alam mo yun, every single month, kailangan mo pagdaanan yun. Kailangan mo pagdaanan yung hormones mo, yung pain, alam mo yun. Hirap kaya nun, diba? Number 2, ang mga babae yung magdadala ng baby for 9 months. 9 whole months. Can you imagine how hard that would be? And on top of that, sila pa manganganak, malamang, di ba? Tapos before ka pa manganak, may labor. Sobrang sakit nun. I know because 5 yung ate ko, di ba? I have 5 older sisters. And they all have kids. Kaya hirap nun. Gets mo? Sobrang deserve ng mga babaeng mahalin ng todo-todo ng isang lalaki kasi nga they will get physically hurt naturally. So tayo mga lalaki, for us to, make bawi, kailangan natin sila mahalin ng todo-todo at totoo. Gets nyo? And girls deal with more emotions compared to men. Ladies are highly emotional. And it's normal. There's nothing wrong about that. Okay, going back to the question. Mas mag-work nga ba ang isang relasyon kapag mas mahal ng lalaki ang babae? Ganito kasi yan. When a girl falls in love truly with a guy, lahat ng bagay kaya niyang gawin para dun sa lalaki. Automatic yan. Automatic yan. Kaya niyang ibigay ng buong-buo ang sarili niya kung mahal na talaga yung lalaki. You know what? Women are generally more nurturing and more caring than men. That's a fact. When a man and a woman falls in love with one another, oftentimes kasi mas invested yung babae kaysa sa lalaki. Naturally. Or more often. Many cases are like that. So in order to bring balance to the relationship, feeling ko mas mag-work pa ang isang relasyon kapag mas mahal pa talaga ng lalaki ang babae. So the boy would generally care more or respect the girl even more, nurture and let her grow even more. That way, there will be balance. Kaya alam mo yung mga babae, sobrang feeling nila, sobrang swerte nila dun sa lalaki, sa boyfriend nila kapag maalaga yung boyfriend nila. Kapag marespeto yung boyfriend nila. Mas may chances na maging long-term relationship ang isang relasyon kapag mas mahal talaga ng lalaki ang babae. Tanongin niyo yung parents nyo, trust me yan ang sasabihin nila sa inyo. Do not get me wrong, I believe in equality and all that. But in order to bring balance and equality to the relationship, kailangan talaga mas mahalin pa naming mga lalaki ang mga babae para mag-work siya at may chances pa na mas tumagal ang isang relasyon. Why? Because women deserve to be loved, to be cared for, Gets nyo? Do you get my point? And you know what? When there's equality and balance in the relationship, you will be able to adapt more, to have more open communication. Mas madaling mag-solve ng mga problema. Mas madaling lagpasan ng mga bagay-bagay. Pag may dumating na challenge, madaling solusyonan. And for me, that's the key to a long-term relationship. It should always be a give-and-take situation and how you compromise with one another. I don't know about you, but that's just me. So let me know what you think about that in the comments and then let's discuss something. Have a good day.